How to fix message blocking active on iPhone. 1. Force restart your iPhone. 2. Enable airplane mode and disabling it again. 3. Check the cellular service coverage. 4. Try removing then reinserting the SIM card. 5. Change the carrier plan. 6. Unblock the number. Path, settings, phone call blocking and identification. 7. Boot your iPhone in safe mode. To boot an iPhone into safe mode, follow these steps. 1. Ensure your iPhone is powered on. 2. Press and hold the power button, located on the top or side of the device, until the slide to power off screen appears. 3. Release the power button, then press and hold the volume up button, located on the left side of the device. 4. Continue holding the volume up button until your iPhone finishes booting. You should see the lock screen appear. 5. Once you see the lock screen, your iPhone is in safe mode. You can release the volume up button. In safe mode, your iPhone will only load essential system components and disable any third-party apps or extensions. This can help troubleshoot issues caused by incompatible or problematic apps. While in safe mode, you can uninstall recently installed apps or troubleshoot problematic apps that may be causing issues on your iPhone. If the issues are resolved in safe mode, it's likely that a recently installed app is causing the problem. To exit safe mode, simply restart your iPhone by pressing and holding the power button, then sliding the slide to power off option. After the device shuts down, you can turn it back on normally, and it will boot into regular mode without safe mode enabled. 8. Disable iMessage on iPhone. 9. Set the correct date and time on iPhone. 10. Check for software updates on iPhone. 11. Try updating cellular settings. 12. Reset network settings. 13. Contact your carrier support.